Welcome all. Most of the ISP providers charge for static IP. That is, IP address to your connection will be updated or changed periodically. Due to this, we cannot access home network from outside world or launch the website. DuckDNS is a free service which will point a DNS subdomains of duckdns.org to an IP of your choice. Register in DuckDNS website. Will get token immediately. Add subdomain of your choice and click on Add Domain button. If subdomain is available, will be allocated for the IP address. In order to keep link of subdomain with changed IP address will be using service on Docker. The official image from linuxservice.io is used for same. Create folder where required to save configuration files in host system. Then, create Docker Compose file using dockercomps.yml. Copy the Docker Compose section from Linux Server IO website and paste in Docker file. Edit subdomain to the one created in DuckDNS website. Copy-paste token string from DuckDNS at token in file. Edit path to part of volumes to location of directory we created to store configuration files. Save the Docker file. Compile Docker file with Docker Composer. You can observe the image running in background with Docker ps command. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to channel.